A painter named Yuna lives in a small house near a forest. She loves to paint. Her brushes dance on paper, making trees, rivers, and birds. People in the village like her work, but Yuna always says, "My best painting isn't here yet. I wait for the perfect moment." She keeps her brushes clean and her paper stacked, waiting. Every morning, Yuna sits by her window. She looks at the forest. The trees sway in the wind. The birds fly high. It's nice, she thinks, but not perfect. The light isn't right. The colors aren't bright enough. I'll paint tomorrow. She puts her brush down and drinks tea instead. One day, Yuna walks outside. She carries a small bag with her brushes and paper, just in case. The sun shines warm. She sits on a hill and watches the leaves. They turn yellow and red in the fall air. "This is pretty," she says, "but maybe tomorrow is better. The leaves will fall more, and the picture will be bigger." She stands up and walks home. Days pass. Yuna waits. She looks at the sky and says, "The clouds are too gray today." She listens to the wind and says, "It's too loud. I can't focus." Her friends visit her house. "Yuna," they say, "why don't you paint? You love it." Yuna smiles. "Soon," she says. "I need the best time. My painting will be amazing then." One afternoon, Yuna sits under a big tree. She feels tired of waiting. The wind blows strong. A single leaf falls from the tree. It twists and spins in the air. Yuna watches it. The leaf is yellow with red edges. It lands soft on the ground near her feet. "That's beautiful," she says. She picks it up and holds it. An old man walks by. He carries a stick and hums a tune. He sees Yuna with the leaf. "Why do you look at it so long?" he asks. Yuna says, "It's perfect. I want to paint it, but I wait for the right day." The old man laughs. "The leaf falls now," he says. "Tomorrow, it's dry. Next week, it's dust. Why wait?" Yuna blinks. "But what if I miss the best moment?" she asks. The old man points to the tree. "Look," he says. Another leaf falls. Then another. "Every moment has a leaf," he says. "You don't wait for the perfect one. You start with this one." He taps his stick on the ground and walks away. Yuna sits still. She looks at the leaf in her hand. "This one," she whispers. She opens her bag fast. She pulls out her brush and paper. The wind blows and more leaves fall. She dips her brush in red paint and starts. She paints the leaf, its curves, its colors. The lines flow quick. The sun moves lower. Yuna keeps painting. She adds yellow for the leaf, green for the tree, blue for the sky. Her hand moves free. She doesn't think about tomorrow. She doesn't wait for better light. She paints what she sees now. The picture grows alive on the paper. When she finishes, Yuna holds it up. "It's not perfect," she says, "but it's mine." She smiles big. The wind carries another leaf to her feet. She picks it up and starts again. "No more waiting," she says. "Every moment is good." Days later, Yuna's house fills with paintings. Leaves, trees, birds. Each one comes from a moment she doesn't miss. The villagers visit. "These are beautiful," they say. Yuna nods. "I start now, not later," she says. She learns that time doesn't wait, but she can begin any time. That's the end of our story today. Did you enjoy it? Yuna learns that waiting wastes time, but starting now brings joy. What can you start today? Tell me in the comments. Like and subscribe for more Zen stories with big lessons. See you next time.